minutes.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, we're done.
It's 6 in the morning. We're driving around. We're taking Heidi to the train station. Look at our little squirrels.
Look, they're picking beans. Oh.
Those are young ones. Young squirrels playing on the road. Beep, beep. Bye. Mwah. Goodbye.
Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you. You guys have a great 2 days. I'll see you Friday night. I get in around 9 o'clock at night.
Okay, we'll try. Have everybody out of the house by then.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Jasmine got a ride to school this morning, so that works out well for me. I'm now on my way to go pick up my buddy Jeff. He's going to give me a hand this morning, and we're going to do a little bit of work at the yacht club on my deck, my stairs. Geoffrey, how's it going?
Look at us. We're really big paper. Supposed to get rain this morning.
We had rain already.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Where?
Well, it came from the sky and landed on the ground.
No, I know. Well,
Here. These are my new stairs. They ain't pretty, but they work. The stairs are done, except they're not painted. They're going to be that color of brown. This is how you do it. That's Geoffrey. That's the staircase leading to my little blue boat, Cosmic Muffin. Okay, let's get out of here. Got the stairs done. They still need to be painted.
you wanted that locked, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's locked.
Back at my favorite princess store. Got coolant. And Jeff.
Here for the ride. I'd like to see one of those videos sometime.
Well, just type Marty Jackson into YouTube, and you'll get some folk singer. Go to the next page until you see me. Do you want sundae or cone? Okay. Do you want chocolate and caramel? Hi, can I get a ice cream sundae chocolate on it and a ice cream cone? Okay. Do you want nuts? Oh, nuts on the sundae, please. Daddy-daughter dinner starts with ice cream. Yeah. Can I get some napkins, please? Ice cream time. Ice cream cone mukbang in the car. Uh-huh.
Number 1.
So I'm back here at the yacht club. I went home and got some painting supplies. I'm going to roll and brush the paint on to my stairs. Brought my little helper with me. She's at the car putting sunblock on. Almost done. It's looking really good. Before, after. That doesn't look so bad, eh? Pretty happy with that. Well, that's got it. Let's do a walk through. These have dried pretty quickly. There's still the odd wet spot, but I've got to do another coat. Is that scenic or what? Italian sausage mukbang. Well, we're done at the yacht club. Stairs are all painted, they're all built. Little girl was feeding the mosquitoes, playing with the caterpillars. Did you name any of the caterpillars? No?
One, the furriest is named Wuzzy.
Wuzzy. Huh, cute. Oh. Beautiful day. And we're gonna go home and I'm gonna barbecue, Jazzy. I'm gonna barbecue some sausages. Well, it's been a very busy day. Very productive too. So that's good. Got the stairs done. Got a coat of paint on them. I think I'm gonna pop by tomorrow. Give another quick coat. Get that looked after. So it's finished. And a nice barbecue supper with Jasmine. Now it's just relax time. I'm pooped. Gonna edit this video. Thanks for watching.